Welcome to a new money-motivated video. After watching this video, you will be able to get started making money right away. Keep watching. Nowadays, there is a storm everywhere, and millions of dollars can be earned from ChatGPT. Hearing this, the question arises in the mind, can this really be true? For me, ChatGPT Direct can't give us money. But if you can use our intelligence to extract a lot from this artificial intelligence platform, you will be able to earn a lot of money. We'll look at the best ways to make money with ChatGPT. So before starting the video, please like this video and do subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on so you get updated whenever we upload amazing new content. Now, back to the video. Number 1 in my opinion is earn from freelancing using ChatGPT. You can earn money as a freelancer by offering chatbot development services using GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT is a type of language model that can generate human-like text. It can be used to build chatbots that can carry on a conversation with a user in a natural and engaging way. Here are some steps you can follow to earn money as a freelancer by building chatbots with GPT. Develop your skills in chatbot development and GPT. There are many resources available online to learn about chatbot development and GPT. You can also consider taking a course or earning a certification to demonstrate your expertise. Build a portfolio of chatbot projects that showcase your skills. This could include chatbots that you have built for personal projects or as part of your education. Promote your services and portfolio to potential clients. You can use a variety of channels to reach out to potential clients, such as social media, online job boards, or your own website. Keep learning and staying up to date with the latest chatbot development techniques and technologies. This will help you stay competitive and ensure that you can continue to offer high-quality services to your clients. Number 2 is sell NFTs. To earn money from selling NFTs, non-fungible tokens, through chat platforms, you can follow these steps. Create unique digital assets, such as artwork, videos, music, or other media that you own the rights to. Use a platform like OpenSea or Rarible to create and sell NFTs of your digital assets. These platforms allow you to easily create and list your NFTs for sale. Promote your NFTs through chat platforms like GPR and other social media channels to attract potential buyers. When someone expresses interest in purchasing an NFT, use the platform's built-in marketplace or escrow service to securely complete the transaction. Withdraw the proceeds from the sale to your personal wallet or bank account. Keep in mind that the success of your NFT sales will depend on the uniqueness and value of your digital assets, as well as your ebook to market them effectively to potential buyers. Number 3. Write an ebook with ChatGPT. One way to earn money by writing an ebook using GPT or any other text generation model is to write and sell the ebook on a platform like Amazon. You can use GPT to help you generate ideas, outlines, or even complete drafts of your ebook, which you can then polish and refine on your own. You can also use GPT to generate promotional material, such as blog posts or social media posts, to help market your ebook. Another way to earn money with an ebook is to self-publish the book and sell it on your own website or through a distribution platform like Gumroad. This can give you more control over the pricing and distribution of your ebook, but it may be more challenging to reach a wide audience without the support of a major retailer like Amazon. Regardless of which approach you choose, it's important to spend time researching your target audience and the competition in order to create an ebook that will appeal to readers and stand out in the market. You should also consider hiring a professional editor to review and polish your ebook before publishing, as this can help ensure that the final product is of high quality. Number 4. Create videos with ChatGPT. There are several ways you can earn money by making videos with GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, a language generation AI developed by OpenAI. Here are a few ideas. Create and sell video courses. You can use GPT to generate scripts for video courses on a variety of topics, and then record yourself narrating the videos. You can sell the courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Offer video creation services. You can use GPT to generate scripts for videos for businesses or individuals who need video content for their websites or social media channels. You can charge a fee for this service. Create and monetize a YouTube channel. You can use GPT to generate script ideas for YouTube videos and then record and edit the videos yourself. You can monetize your channel by enabling ads, becoming a YouTube partner, and joining the YouTube Partner Program. Use GPT-3 to generate scripts for video games, either as a standalone product or as part of a larger game development project. You can then sell the games on platforms like Steam or the App Store. Generate scripts for movies or TV shows. You can use GPT to generate scripts for movies or TV shows and then pitch the scripts to studios or production companies. If your script is picked up, you could earn money through royalties or a one-time payment. Remember that in order to make money with any of these ideas, you'll need to have the necessary skills and equipment to create and edit the videos, as well as a strong marketing strategy to promote your work and reach potential customers. Number 5. Provide customer service using ChatGPT. There are a few different ways you can earn money by providing customer service using chat. Work for a company that provides chat-based customer service. Many companies hire customer service agents to handle customer inquiries and complaints through chat. You can search for these types of jobs on job search websites such as Indeed or LinkedIn. Start your own chat-based customer service business. If you have the skills and experience to provide high-quality customer service, you can start your own business offering chat-based customer service to clients. Use chatbots to provide automated customer service. If you have experience with programming and artificial intelligence, you can create chatbots that can handle basic customer service inquiries automatically. You can then sell these chatbots to businesses that want to provide customer service through offer chat-based customer service as a freelance service. If you have experience providing customer service and are comfortable communicating through chat, you can offer your services as a freelance customer service agent. Use chat to provide support for a product or service you sell. If you have a product or service that you sell, you can use chat to provide support to your customers. This can be an effective way to build trust with your customers and increase customer satisfaction. Number 6. Event Planning Assistant using ChatGPT. There are several ways you can earn money using ChatGPT as an event planning assistant. Some potential options include offering event planning services to businesses or individuals, and using ChatGPT to assist with tasks such as creating to-do lists, scheduling appointments, and generating ideas for themes and decorations. Creating and selling a course or ebook using ChatGPT for event planning. Developing a subscription-based service that provides users with access to a custom-trained version of ChatGPT for event planning. Providing event planning consulting services and using ChatGPT to assist with research and data analysis. Creating a virtual event planning assistant that uses ChatGPT to assist with tasks such as creating agendas, scheduling meetings, and managing guest lists. Creating and selling event planning templates or checklists that are generated by ChatGPT. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon, and thanks for watching.